Why choose IT support?
IT support is an essential field that keeps businesses running smoothly. It offers a clear entry point into the tech industry, often without requiring a computer science degree. Roles are in high demand, offer job stability, and can lead to rewarding specializations. If you enjoy problem-solving and helping people with technology, IT support could be the perfect starting point for your career.
Understanding IT support roles.
There are different levels in IT support, such as help desk technician, desktop support specialist, and IT support analyst. These positions typically involve troubleshooting computer issues, setting up devices, and assisting users with software or hardware concerns. As you gain experience, opportunities to move into more advanced roles, like network administration or cybersecurity, become available.
Essential skills you need.
To succeed in IT support, strong problem-solving abilities are crucial. You should be comfortable with basic computer hardware, operating systems, and common software applications. Good communication skills are also important, since much of the job involves explaining technical issues to non-technical users. Organizational skills and patience will help you resolve issues efficiently and provide excellent service.
Building your knowledge and credentials.
Begin by learning the fundamentals of computer systems, networks, and troubleshooting methods through online courses or community college classes. CompTIA A+ certification is highly recommended for those starting out, as it's widely recognized by employers. Consider supplementing your knowledge with hands-on practice, such as setting up home networks or volunteering for tech support tasks in your community.
Finding your first IT support job.
Update your resume to highlight any technical experience, even informal projects. Seek entry-level opportunities like help desk technician positions or internships. Use job boards, career fairs, and networking with professionals to find openings. Preparing for common IT interview questions and being ready to demonstrate your practical skills will set you apart and help launch your IT support career.